One of the most requested lock screen features is finally here. With iOS 27, you can now make your lock screen clock even smaller. First, double tap your lock screen to enter the customization screen. Next, tap Customize. Up until now, you could only choose between the standard clock sizes, but with iOS 27, Apple has added a new option that lets you make the clock even smaller. Simply tap on the clock, then tap the new icon on the right side. Instantly, your lock screen clock will shrink to a more minimalist size. It may seem like a small change, but it's actually a big deal for people who've wanted more control over their lock screen for a long time. The smaller clock gives your wallpaper more space, so your photos can stand out without being covered by a large clock. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.